Did you miss me? I missed you. I'm back, baby. It's been a hot minute since I have made a YouTube video, but I am back with a YouTube schedule, back here on YouTube, and damn, I missed it. As always, I'm Alex. Did you miss me? I missed you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a new video. New video is coming out on Monday, but if you are new here, welcome. I am Alex. The last video I made was back in the fall, and I was sharing some changes that happened in my life that kind of had halted me from showing up on YouTube, whether that was an excuse or not. This was probably the most vulnerable piece of content I've ever shared online. So if you haven't watched that video yet, go check it out here and then of course come back. But basically I was just sharing some changes and I was planning to come back from there. I didn't end up coming back. This is my first video back since then. And instead of coming back, I really focus in on my Instagram. And I made some changes to my brand, some changes to my business, some changes to the focus and direction I wanted to make. But damn, I missed YouTube. I missed being able to dive deeper in these videos, in these long form videos with you. And being a Scorpio, I can't just scratch the surface. I always have to dive deep. So all that to be said is I am back. The first video is dropping on Monday. Dare I say it again? Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. I am ready to shake up my content and shake up the beauty industry. I made some changes. I have changed my outlook, my mindset, my wants, and my goals, because there is a better way to be a beauty business owner, beauty pro. It doesn't always just have to be hustling and grinding in the studio with a client. So I can't wait to share that with you. I can't wait to change your mindset too. So I'll see you here on Monday and we can get down to it.